In this video, I'm going to show you how to categorize transfers in YNAB. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to go to the account over here on the left where you want to actually transfer. So, for example, let's say I want to transfer from this bank account to bank 2 over here, and we're going to be transferring $200. And now I'm going to show you how to actually, of course, categorize that transfer in here in YNAB. So, the first thing you have to do here, you want to go and click on Add Transaction. And then, of course, you must select the date. I'm going to select today over here. And then what you have to do here is you basically have to go ahead and type in the account name of the account which you are transferring to. So for example, I want to transfer from bank over here to bank 2. So I'm going to type in bank 2. And as you can see, it's going to say to/from bank 2. I'm going to click on it and it's automatically going to say category not needed. And then here you can add a memo if you want to. And then for the outflow, you basically have to just type in how much you want to send. We're going to do 200 and it's automatically going to update to transfer to bank 2 over here. And as you can see, basically the category says category not needed, so you don't have to even categorize it because it's a transfer between your accounts. Then you can just go ahead and click on save, and as you can see, it's automatically going to do that specific transfer. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.